Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I hate to say it this way, but this, I'm going to kind of sound like one of those doomsday channels right now. But there literally is a red alert for the silver and gold world. The silver and gold stackers, the silver and gold dealers, the coin shops, all of the above. And you guys are going to have to excuse my appearance right now. I thought this topic was important enough that I decided to go for a walk. And I live in Northeast Ohio, and it's absolutely freezing outside right now. Already, unfortunately. But this is about the only time I could get this information out to you. And it's going to freak a lot of you guys out. So do me a favor, this information needs to get out. Please like this video, subscribe, share it, whatever, all that stuff. But I've been extremely busy in my shop, as you may imagine. Yesterday was a wild day with silver, that is, especially. It hit 51 or a little above 51 an ounce. It was going ballistic. And then it seemed like when the stock market opened up, the big boys, the big players decided to slam the price down. It's really, really volatile. It's creating a huge problem for me as a small dealer because I don't know what to pay, it's very, very stressful. And yesterday, I literally didn't have time to eat. I didn't have time to go to the bathroom. I didn't have time to do anything. So, to be honest with you, even though it's freezing out here right now, I'm taking a walk. I'm kind of enjoying this. But I am filming this on my phone. I don't have my regular camera with me. But I got a lot of this information overnight last night. I got an email from one of the refineries, the gold refineries I use, and they sent out a mass message to all their customers that they will not be buying any more sterling silver, any 90% silver coins, and any generic 999 silver bullion, like bars and rounds. Apparently they're still buying like silver eagles, sovereign coins, things like that, and it has not affected gold yet, as far as I'm aware, to this point. So that's a really, really important thing. And I've talked about this on the channel in the past, and I warned you guys about silver. If it starts to rise too quickly, it's going to create a major, major problem. But this place I use, that's one of the places I use. They're not the biggest, but I heard something very scary about 20 minutes ago from another larger coin dealer. And he had told me, I can't verify this, but this is what he told me. He usually doesn't lie to me, that the largest refiner in the world is called Metalor. And apparently, they're not buying any more silver. At least temporarily. So, I think it's temporary. I hope it's temporary. They're basically a worldwide refinery that buys from all these smaller refineries around the world. So, it makes sense now why these smaller refineries, why I'm getting these messages that they're not going to buy it. Because if they don't have a place to sell it to, then obviously they can't buy it. It's kind of scary. I've been doing this for 20 years. And I was also just talking to another friend of mine, coin dealer. He's an older guy. He's been in business 40 years. He told me he's never seen this before. And this is going to create a really, really, really big problem, at least in the short term, for guys like me, small dealer. Because if somebody walks in the door today with a lot of generic silver to sell, or 90% or sterling, I probably won't be able to buy it. I can't take the risk. I can't tie up the funds I have to buy stuff that I can't move. And this is gonna trickle down to any of these silver stackers, or the guys that were thinking they're trading the silver, and now it's cracked $50 an ounce. They thought they're just gonna be able to run into all these little coin shops and dump it and make their money, and then wait for it to fall back down, and they're gonna buy again. We've talked about this, blah blah blah. But it's not how it's gonna work right now. And I think you guys got to keep that in mind. What we really need is for this to calm down a little bit. I know a lot of these other silver channels have talked about, some of them have talked about, silver will be $100 by the end of the year, and then it's going to $200 or $300 an ounce. Yeah, that would be great, but you're not going to be able to sell it because there won't be any place to sell it. And I remember talking about this in the past with different videos, and I got a lot of negative comments in the comments saying, "Oh, there'll always be some place to sell it. There won't be any problems." And I highly disagree with that, because it's happening right now. And as I get more information about this, I will let you guys know. My perspective, remember, I'm a dealer. This is what I do for a living. And I can bring you stuff like this that you're probably not going to hear elsewhere. And I have no problem disclosing information like this to you guys, because I've told you before, I'm a silver stacker myself. Personally, I'm not talking about being a dealer. Personally love silver, and I love gold, and I do believe that it's going to go much higher. But you got to pay attention to all this stuff, and I will bring you the information as I hear it. And I'm sure I'm going to hear more about it today. But this is going to be a very, very strange time for me and all the other dealers. So just keep that stuff in mind, guys. If you guys have any comments about this, leave them in the comments below. Let me know what you think. This is not going to be a super long video because I'm kind of freezing right now and probably like to walk back home. But if I get any more updates, I will definitely come and bring it to you as soon as I can. Just keep in mind, I'm really, really busy right now. And I'll let you guys know. So please like and subscribe and all that jazz. And until the next video, guys, have a great day. Thanks for tuning in.